Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to stop OneDrive syncing on Windows 11 permanently. So first, go to the bottom and click File folder. Now, look for OneDrive and click it. In the pop-up, click the gear icon, Help and Settings, and click Post Syncing. Then, choose 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours to stop OneDrive from syncing photos or other folders. To reopen OneDrive for file sync, you can click the Resume Syncing button. So now, how to stop OneDrive from syncing via the Post option. So first, it is allowed to stop OneDrive from syncing everything indefinitely by closing the app. This is another quick yet effective method and have a shot. Step 1. Also, click the OneDrive icon from the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. Go to the Help and Settings and click OneDrive. Step 3. Click the Close OneDrive button to confirm the operation. After that, files in your OneDrive folder won't sync with your files online. That's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!